Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday 30th of September. Dollar yen is, I think, a really interesting chart at the moment because what we have seen is this recovery in the last week just beginning to start to slow down in the last few sessions. The recovery from 104 figure has just started to slow a little bit as it's approaching this 3-month downtrend, the red line here, and also the 55-day moving average, which has been a pretty good basis of resistance. And they both come in around the 105.90 mark. And essentially, I still see this as a recovery within a bear phase. You've got the bear phase that's been intact since 111.70 back in March. And it's sort of building, lower highs, lower lows, negative configuration across momentum indicators on a medium-term basis, 50 on RSI. Now, in the last 3 months, 50 on the RSI has consistently been an area where the selling pressure has come back in. Little tiny move above that in August, couple of times, but essentially rallies are a chance to sell still. MACD lines underneath neutral, all pointing towards medium-term corrective outlook, and that rallies will struggle. And what you have seen in the last couple of days is that this rebound, the sharp rebound that we saw early last week, has just started to form some neutral candles, slightly positive. What you do see is that on a consistent daily basis, intraday corrections are bought into. I'll show you again today where little intraday moves to the downside are bought into around the US session. Now we've already seen a little rebound in the European session today, but how far is it going to go is the question. As I said, you've got the overhead resistance around 50, 105.80, 106 figure. But if you start to see that tendency or the trend starts to reverse, where you see intraday gains being sold into, or the intraday weakness isn't bought into, and then you start to see negative candles, then I think that would be your trigger to start to look for selling opportunities again. Because I think that we're going to see another rolling over of this. I think the resistance is quite significant. I think a selling opportunity would happen. Below 105.10, I think you sort of confirm that the market is then falling away. 105.20 seems to be a bit of a low, bit of a pivot line. So again, support's in place, but that, I think for now, there isn't a great deal of upside potential in this move. You'd really need to see it break that reaction high from 106.55 to really suggest the market is starting to sustainably move higher. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.